Today we're making an easy build Pea Trellis using 2x2 lumber or 2x4 cut in half. Cut it into length, screw the corners, and then stain it if you want to. I did stain mine. Then you go ahead and you add the nails. My video wasn't working. Anyway, what we've got here is we have our two legs going down this way and our two cross pieces across the top. And what I've done is I took a hammer and a nail. I put them in every 3 inches or every 4 inches, starting from the outside in. And in the middle, there was a couple that were ended up being 3 inches apart, which I couldn't care less about. Okay, I did that on all the way around. See that? And the nails I chose, this bucket of leftovers. And so I chose these leftover nails. I think they're originally shingle nails. And just got a big head on them. So that's what we used. Okay, so I will be right back, and hopefully I do the camera right this time, and I'll show you how I'm putting the twine on. So I hope you guys can see what I'm doing. All I'm using to put the twine on this is this dollar store or Dollarama jute cord. You get 160 feet for $4. So that'll be all we need. Now, I was so tempted to use some macrame on this, but I'm going to keep it practical. So I'm hoping you can see what I'm doing here. I'm just going to take it from the top knot, wrap it around the bottom here, take it to the first one, wrap it around. Take it up to the top here. And then I'll just keep wrapping it like that to go to the next one and come down. Okay. Now I'm going to start doing it this way, which means I'm going to pull some out, or quite a bit out actually. No measurements or none of that foolishness. Cut it off. And then if I need more, I'll tie it off and add more. I'll wrap this around my hands. And now I'm going to do a grid the other way.
Now if you wanted, you could wrap it around each cord this way as well, but I'm not. I'm just going to feed mine through, under and over each one here. I'm pretty sure it's going to be more than strong enough to hold peas. One thing to mention is when you're going around the nails, wrap it every time. Okay. Nice nail. Now I have it here on the bottom corner, and I'm just going to wrap it around. I'll cut it off. Tighten a knot, and I will hot glue that as well, but I'm pretty sure it'll stay there like that. And there's our first one done. I will go ahead and finish the second one, and then all we have left to do is put the stand together with the hinges on top.